For today's software engineering interview, explain async APIs and how you design one. To start, I would only use an async API for a long-running task where we don't need to give the user a response right away, something like video uploads and processing. So what happens when a request comes in? When a request comes in, instead of processing the entire request and returning a response, all we have to do is acknowledge the request and send back a 202 accepted response code with a job ID that they can use to later track that request. Alright, and where does that job actually go? Whenever a request comes in, we can immediately return the response and drop that request into a queue. Our workers can pick up tasks from the queue whenever they're ready. They may be sitting in the queue for a couple seconds or a couple minutes depending on the constraints and how busy our system is. Then when they're done, they can write the result to a database. And how does a client know when the job is done? They have two main options. One, they could pull an API endpoint with that job ID we gave them. We'll just check the database, and if their job's complete, we'll give them back the complete info. Otherwise, we can send them an event via a webhook, an email, or some other method once that worker is complete with their job, and they'll be notified as soon as it's complete.